Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of AstroSage, the world's #1 astrology portal. This is Sashwati and I'm here today with a very special video. So very well we know that the past 2 years have indeed been very traumatic for all of us. The pandemic, to top everything, has ruined many things for us. So now most of us are now in the processing stage and trying to cope up with the current situation. Having said and done everything, should we be hopeful about the future? Well, we'll find this out in this video. Well, this is a very special video curated for Gemini natives with regards to 2022. Yes, you have heard it right. I'm here with the Gemini horoscope 2022, which will tell you how your upcoming year will turn out to be with regards to the various aspects of your life. First and foremost, let me tell you about the planetary movements of the year 2022. So on the 13th of April, Jupiter would enter Pisces in the 10th house and Rahu in Aries in the 11th house, and this will happen on the 12th of April. In the month of April only, on the 29th, Saturn would enter the Aquarius zodiac sign in the 9th house, and on the 12th of July, it would transit in the Capricorn zodiac sign in the 8th house after becoming retrograde. Moving forward, I would like to talk about your love life, as love, we all know, is one of the most important factors in one's life. So the love life of Gemini native seems to be good. It will be full of vigor and flavor. At the beginning of the year, Jupiter will stimulate people emotionally and they will manifest a lot of enthusiasm in love. Those who want to get closer to their partners again will enjoy improvement in their love life. There is also good news for single Geminis, as those who have not started a family yet will have a chance to meet their true love in the year 2022. Moving on, let me talk about your career, which is another important aspect of your life. When it comes to your career, 2022 is expected to yield mixed results. Hence, you may have to put yourself through a lot of hard work to get success, and you may also face some hindrances due to your competitors because of the effect of Saturn in the 8th house. But it won't have any impact on the daily routine of your work. This is the good news. At the same time, the management will demand an increase in the quality of your work and increase requests for putting in a lot of effort. The Gemini natives will have to defend their position at any cost and prove that the decrease in volume of work depends on external factors and not the internal ones. For students, this would be an excellent year. Persistence and hard work may give you the desired results. Students who are aspiring for higher education may get placed in reputed colleges and universities. Students who have been preparing for competitive examinations may get success after the second week of April. If we talk about your finances and how will you be able to manage them in the year 2022, then the year will give the desired results to those natives who have been working hard with regards to their finances. Also, the owner of your house of business, which is Jupiter or Brihaspati as we call it in Hindi, is going to transit in your house of career in the year 2022. As a result, you will definitely benefit from your career this year. Jupiter will help you grow your finances, but you have to put in a little of your own efforts due to the presence of Saturn in your 8th house. You will get the money you didn't get from your previous job unexpectedly in between the months of October and November. If we talk about your family life, then as per astrology, this year will be very special for you, as you will devote your entire time to your family, leading to a healthy atmosphere within your household. Also, this year is also creating chances for you to buy new things as per the requirement of the house. It is also possible for you to organize any auspicious work in your family, and all this work will bring your family closer and create a positive environment overall within the household. Your marriage prospects will appear to be quite troublesome, as Mars is a significator of marriage. We all know that. However, as the first quarter of the year passes, things will brighten it in your married life by the positive effect brought by Venus. Love and romance will get enhanced in your life, as Venus would bring about a roller coaster ride in your love life. Now, if we talk about your health, then this year seems to be a bit weak in terms of health, because the placement of Saturn in the 8th house would be the main reason, and this would happen at the beginning of the year. Also, the placement of Ketu in the 6th house is to be blamed for it. What you are requested to do is that you will have to be aware of your food and dietary habits. Before quickly moving on to the remedies, I would like to give away your lucky number for the year. So Geminis Ruling planet is Mercury, and the lucky number for Mercury ruled natives is considered to be 6. Last but not the least, I would like to quickly give away some remedies which you can implement in the year 2022 to make this the best year of your life. So what you can do is that you can wear a panna or emerald or green sapphire embedded in a gold ring or pendant as it suits you after getting the due ritual performed to empower the gemstone. You can worship Shani Yantra after getting the due ritual, which is again performed to activate the yantra. For success in business related prospects, you can keep a porcelain red vase in the south direction of the place where your business is established. In order to make amendments or in order to make your job prospects better, keep a piece of the whole turmeric in a yellow cloth in your office bag. For a prosperous marriage, you can decorate your room with red and yellow shades. So this was all you need to know about the Gemini horoscope for the year 2022. I really hope that this video would give you a sense of relief in these stressful times. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you so much for connecting with us.
For regular updates, follow our Instagram page right now.